What's going on, guys? Alex here, Reject Rides. Today we're gonna be working on this Tahoe. We're gonna be doing a 3-inch leveling kit up front and a 2-inch lift in the rear. But this is what it looks like. Alright, so this is the kit we're going to install on the Tahoe. These are the 2-inch, I don't know if they call them blocks. No, I think they call them spacers. These are the shock extenders, and then these are the tension keys. Alright, so we're going to remove the nut from the shock right here. And we're going to go ahead and put the spacer that goes in here, the other little spacer. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off. Alright, I removed the nut already, so and bolt. We'll go ahead and lower it down so I can put the spacer in there. Alright guys, so I took the tension key off already. That's the old one, and this is the new one. And this is the difference right there of the new key. And I already put on the shock extender. Just use the regular hardware for the top part and the new hardware for the bottom part. And just put it on there and it's ready to go. So right now I'm gonna install the tension key, and then once I install that, I can put the tire back on and then work on the passenger side. So I already took the spring off. I already took the spring off. To do this, you got to unhook the sway bar. Unhook it. Unhook your shock, and make sure you put a jack on the back. It's on the hitch, and then a jack stand up front, and then a small jack on the bottom. This is very sketchy, but as you can see, the spring's already all loose. All I gotta do is lift it up and set the spacer right here where the spring goes. So let me install that, and then I'll show you what it looked like. Alright, so I installed the little spacer right there. Line it up. The only thing to do whenever you're removing the spring, you got to take the shock off, and that's the shock extender right there. You got to put it on top, you can't put it on the bottom. And then the sway bar, you got to unhook that, and then you got to unhook the brake line that goes to the differential. I gotta put that back on there here in a minute, but that's how the kit goes. And I'm fixing to put on the tires, raise it up, put the tires on, put that other bolt, and then we should be good to go.